What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can use base chain. Well, the process is pretty simple. For that, you need to open up your Trust wallet. So I'm just going to open up my Trust wallet, and the Trust wallet will look something like that. Now here, I'm just going to click on this random thing so that it can open up the whole wallet. As you can see, my whole wallet is just opened up in a new tab. Now here, in order to change the chain, you just simply have to click on this switch networks. In the switch networks, you will be able to see a lot of networks. Here you just have to select base. As you can see, I can select blast as well. So I'm just going to change it to base. Now we are changed to base chain. Now you'll be able to make transfers in the base chain without any problem. You can do the same in the app. What you have to do is just have to go to the transfer section. When you are transferring your cryptocurrency, on the top right corner, you will be able to see an option for chains. Just tap on that and you will be able to change the chains on the app as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to use base chain on Trust Wallet. Hope you guys find this video helpful.